Labubu's for sale. Who wants a Labubu? It comes in $150 and free. Let's give the free one a good home. Welcome home. You know, you can use a bath. Don't forget to brush all those pointy teeth. Soon you'll be a whole new Labuyu. Seriously. You're a regular pooch Pinocchio. And you've even got a new bed. Mia. Either she doesn't like that name, or she needs a new bed. Let's start with some doggy extensions. But this pup could sure use a new coat of paint. Why, you're a regular dog Ross. Now let's make this bed a little more comfortable. Wait a second. How is Mia gonna get in the bed? She's got an idea. To the bathroom. Just knew keeping cereal in here was a good idea. Well, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Besides, we can use the box. You got the toy out first, right? Well, take a bunch and cover them with colored tape. Stack them up, and soon Mia will be over the rainbow. Come on, Mia, step right on in. Now, step on out. It's time to eat. Now, who wants a snack? She's gonna sleep good tonight.
Oh no!
Didn't I tell you? But you really should pace yourself with treats. Probably shouldn't have left so much out. So why don't we build something to help? And we've got a crafter's best friend to help, cardboard. But maybe throw in an old plastic bottle half. Add some spray-on paint. And soon we're golden. This should really help to lend a paw. Press down, and the perfect portion comes out. Ah, there's nothing better than a free lunch. And speaking of paws, it's time for some stretching. Now trace it on our favorite thing, cardboard. Once you're done, the next step is cutting it out. It's like a cute muffin. Now cover it with foil. Next, cover it up with a new paper border. Wow, this new paw gets a seal of approval. Fill it with water, and it's Mia's new dish. It's got something to wash down all that kibble. Of course, water isn't bought, it's rented. So why don't we make you a private privy? Complete with a special doggy potty. We'll roll out the pink carpet just for you. Of course, dogs kind of prefer grass. A fire hydrant won't hurt. Always a fan favorite. Come on, Mia. Why don't you break it in? Okay, I'll get the bag. You get the scoop. Unless, of course, you have a better idea. By the looks of things, it seems like you do. Stack up 2 popcorn buckets. Sans popcorn. Now why not add a fresh coat of blue? Your new trash can needs special stickers. Now grab your scoop. Ooh, a lobster. Well, sometimes you gotta get your paws dirty. Sleep tight, puppy. Hey, what's that? Haven't you heard? Let sleeping dogs lie. Oh no! The aliens are stealing dogs! Something tells me they must be from Pluto. Don't worry, this pup's got a lot of bite. I hear his bark's not too bad either. Quick, puppy! Let's get out of here! Oh no, a plastic ball! His only weakness! Take off your shoes. It's a whole ball pit. Let's get out of here, Dr. Jones! Guess cats aren't the only ones with claws. Ooh, look, a key. It's just what we need. Let's go. Remember, take a left at Albuquerque. Uh-oh, the floor is lava. But it's okay. We prepared for this. It's time for a little lassoing. Make sure it's got a strong backbone. Now add some wooden blocks for steps. Okay now, get along, little doggy. Quick, hurry, unless you want to end up a hot dog. Okay, puppy, it's time to slide on down. Hey, what's that over there? A toy train! Oh no! Get out of here, Snail! Oh, right, Snail! Super Pup will save you! He'll keep you on the right track. But now it's time to save our sprunky friend. Looks like Simon's safe for now.
Yay!
This place is straight out of a Mario game. Careful, I think that plant bites. Can't get something for nothing. We need to find some serious coin. Ooh, mystery boxes, just what we need. Insert a coin. Maybe a few more. That did it, and we're out of here. This vent is like a maze. Can you smell the exit? So this is how deep the rabbit hole goes. Oh no! The aliens! We've been spotted! It's a good thing these vents are dog-sized. Look, the light at the end of the tunnel. Let's hope we're close to the exit. I wonder where these doors lead to. Yeah, I'd close the door if I were you. You sure you want to try door number 2? At least it leads somewhere. Another maze! Yarn! How could cats like this stuff? Joke's on them, he's part boxer. This is nothing compared to Lava Land. French fries? Where's the burger? Ooh, what does this button do? Oh no! The button betrayed us! Good idea. It always helps when dogs stick together. And this pup likes his sausages extra spicy. Now that's what I call cooking with gas. A spooky castle. Let's check inside. So far, it's not the creepiest thing today. I spoke too soon! Got any bug spray? That's okay. Puppy can always lend a paw. Ooh, cool slime. Guess it's what's inside that counts. Looks like Mr. Tarantula wants to tarantella. But some things are best served under glass. The door's locked! There must be a final boss. A snake! Guess they ran out of bugaboos. Either way, we know how to charm this guy. Where's the Pied Piper when you need him? Don't worry, we've always got a plan B. He's out of here, and so are we. Another maze? Did Daedalus design this place? There better not be a minotaur around here. Oh no! That must be the alien spy! Don't worry, he looks like he can take him. A UFO! I think there's something inside. All we need to do is open it up. Treats! Maze running sure works up an appetite. And you've already got a second course. Eat up. Looks like your lift is here. Fourth floor for exits and kitchenware. A dead end? Well, we'll just have to make an exit. The drill doesn't work. Let's try a saw. Where does it go? Uh-oh, the aliens! But this time, puppies come prepared. Uh-oh, I was hoping they'd melt. Guess it's time for someone to get begging. A little gimme paw might help too. Don't worry, puppy. It was all just a bad dream. There's no such thing as aliens. Besides, if there really were aliens, they'd probably be more scared of you.